Hello, this is Greg with Lovett. I am located at 931 Northwest 11th Avenue. I am on the corner of the building where the FedEx building is, where Lovejoy Northwest and Northwest 12th Avenue intersect. We're beginning a video inspection on the rain drain on the far right-hand corner, like I said, in front of the FedEx building. We're about to go down the rain drain now and begin a video inspection. This was the drain that had the most foam down it. We're transitioning to 4-inch cast iron. We're going to zero the camera out now. I'm going to begin video inspection. There's where it's dropping down into the other rain drains. It's where they all meet up. And then it drops down to the bottom here. There's a clean out. And it makes a 45-degree turn right here. We located down in the parking garage where this was. We're going to push out as far as we can. We're in 4-inch cast iron. Pipe looks like it's in fairly good shape. Going to continue pushing now. Here's a Y right here where it's intersecting another drain. A little bit of roof silt there, nothing major. I believe we're in a 6-inch pipe now, down in the parking garage. Starting to lose push due to all the silt buildup. Going to pull back and in video inspection. We couldn't see any more foam. Looks like the line is open and draining. The silt is pretty normal to be in there. It's not really affecting anything, and it's only the bottom eighth of the pipe. I'm going to pull back slowly and make sure there's nothing wrong with it. Making a turn again right here. And here's that Y, where the other drains from the other side of the building are tying in, for the rain drain system. And we're back in the 4-inch cast iron line. I'm going to go ahead and mute the mic and continue pulling back. If I see anything, I'll unmute and say something. Then that's the tie-in for the other rain drain, so we're pulling back up, out now. And there's the FedEx building. There's the street. And that concludes our video inspection.